Ang ina tulos. Ang ayop yan. Kahapon ay nakaraan. Ilan loss tayo?
May the blood of my enemies flow
Anim?
from my spear.
Utang ina.
Meron ako lahat ng skill. Ay, Starlight lang
Combat
pala.
ready.
Pusta.
Gege.
Starlight. Looks red. Tama ba? Ang ating emblem. Tama. Narinig mo ba ako? I mean, nagdadalawa yung boses ko, hindi.
Hindi. Okay, sakto maganda is mo.
Tapos pagdating sa laro na, aroy tayo, natalo naman.
Baldog.
Ako payag.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Ulag.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battle. Request smash them. Okay. All troops deployed. Win with teamwork.
Basta map lang tayo ng map. Gusto ko kaya namin. Uy, hindi ko maano. Pasip niya.
Ito ba?
Ha?
Ito.
Ano?
Ito, patayin natin.
Paano patayin?
Wala nang patayin mo na eh. Wala
Sabihin mo
eh.
kasi jungle. Kalaw kalaban. Ito. Pasukin mo. Patayin na pala to. Stun.
Wala, nagamit. Uy, puto. Buti di ka nasungkit.
Buti nga eh. Naka-sprint ka, no?
Oh. Kuha mo?
Oo.
Nice.
Yung yung gold. Walang kasama.
My reputation is built on my bravery and loyalty. You can predict the enemy's moves.
Kita mo agad, may vision agad. Ay, yun lang.
早くみんなのとこ行こうぜ
Buti napatay ko.
Duty, honor,
Initiate retreat. Request backup. Launch attack.
Buti sumagpo.
Turtle ah. Ay, wala.
Gather
Pwede
on the
mag-turtle.
turtle. Okay.
only by facing me.
Request back. Initiate retreat.
Palapit ka dyan kay Tamus.
Initiate retreat.
Our victory will be
Wala.
decisive.
Wala akong
Patay ka.
kasama.
A
Okay.
worthy death for a true.
May ulti yung Gwino, sayang.
An ally has been slain.
A good army should be flexible, like water.
Request backup. Attack the turtle. Okay. An enemy has been slain.
True warrior never backs down from a fight.
Request backup. All is ready. An ally has slain the turtle. You have slain an enemy.
Wala lang kasakay dyan.
Wala.
Blue.
Our victory will be decisive.
Ayun o. Mia.
You can predict the enemy's moves.
Wala.
You won't be defeated.
An enemy
Yun.
has been slain.
Wala ang buhay ah.
Hindi, okay lang.
Request backup. You have slain an enemy. Ult is not ready.
Fire muna ako.
Bab ka na yan.
Oo.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
Army should be flexible, like water. Only by facing the enemy can one know his true self. I go wherever the wind takes me. Duty, honor, and homeland.
Tama, matino ka kampi, hindi na nagagala yung
A true warrior never backs down from a fight.
ganito magano sana, ulti-ulti.
Stay loyal.
Request
Stay
backup.
humble.
Request backup.
Patay ako.
Okay lang.
Launch attack.
Bakit?
Ult is not ready.
Bakit?
Bakit? Anong bakit?
Gatawa ka.
Hindi ako katawa.
Ikaw lang nagtawa ka.
Baka naghinga ako.
Ulol.
Slain the turtle. Killing spree.
Patay.
Double kill.
Nice.
Patay yan, 100% win rate na ito eh.
My
Lupa po.
reputation is built on my bravery and
Nag-ulti
loyalty.
ba yung Zishan? Parang di man siya ga-ulti.
Nagulti siya?
Hindi ko napapansin.
Launch
Good
attack.
army should be flexible, like water.
Yung bot nyo ah.
Launch attack.
Hindi.
I go wherever the wind takes me.
Launch attack.
Tara.
Unstoppable.
Push niya lang. Kaya.
Focus on pushing turrets.
Ay, wala. Hindi kaya ito. Wala ulti ang ano na yan, Parsa. O di ba nag-ulti na siya?
Control. We're ahead in gold.
Hit, nakita ko na.
Team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Launch attack. Killing spree.
Nice one.
Your team destroyed a turret. Has been slain.
Ang inakawawa ah.
Focus on pushing turrets.
Alam niya na mamatay siya. Buti magaling din Biniber.
Buti nga. Pero hindi mo pa siya nasasakay, baka magtampo siya. Gusto niya pala
Oo.
sumakay, no?
Launch attack.
Victory will be
Turtle lang. Wala ko retry.
Yeah.
Battle cell in cooldown. Team destroyed a
Lang.
turret.
Puto.
Launch attack.
Ang ina, mapakto.
Slain. Gather up the turtle. Ult is not ready.
If you can protect
Turtle nga, surrender at back.
Okay, sakay ka sa akin ah.
Okay. Hindi mapindot.
Uy!
Okay lang. May sumakay pala.
only by facing the enemy can one know his true
Sabi ko
self.
ba't di mapindot?
Attack.
May nauna na palang sumakay. Okay, salubungin natin.
Control.
Batoy.
Slain.
May ulti ako ah.
Monster kill.
Kasakit mo man.
May build na eh. Umiyaw. Kaya mo yun. Kaso baka muhin na.
Duty, honor,
Nakita ko siya pero di ko napansin na kundi yung buhay niya.
Ah.
Launch attack.
Gantong korsahan na lagi, no?
Has been slain.
Hmm.
Ally has been
Ba't down tuloy ang Biniber? Hindi.
Initiate retreat. Confirm tanking. Not ready.
my reputation is built on my bravery and loyalty.
Wait. Retreat.
Push kaya bot.
Stay loyal.
Kakalod eh.
Stay humble.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Yung top ka mo na push. Sige, push mo dyan.
Launch attack.
If you can predict
Banggain ka?
the enemy's
Okay ka?
moves,
Dami nga, bilis. Takbo ka.
Superb control. Superb tanking.
Diyan yung tamos siya.
Kinabahan ako, kala mamatay ako eh.
honor, and homeland.
Lord na, Lord na.
Okay,
Banggain ko yan, ubus man.
Gigi.
Wala.
Okay lang. Lord tayo, Lord.
Si Frank.
Gather up the Lord.
Wala, Lord tayo, Lord.
Pero din natin makapitas ng isa.
Lord.
Binibir natin.
Yung suyo, wala. May sumakay na no?
Binibir.
Gigi. Yan, pagkakataon nyo na yan. Yun lang.
Wala. Na-stun siya.
Superb control.
Next one. Galing Leslie.
Superb tanking.
Ang ganda ng skin na yan, no?
Bukan may push.
Our victory will be
Kala ko
decided.
mag-abot ka.
Destroy the turret.
Lumigo,
Wala, hindi.
lumigo
Hindi.
pala.
Been destroyed.
Hintayin ko tong ano,
Okay.
Binibir.
Basta siya sakay mo na muna.
My reputation is built on my bravery and loyalty.
Initiate retreat.
A good army should be flexible, like water.
Tap tayo.
Request backup.
Nice.
Sino natignan?
Ubos.
Control.
Wala. Isa lang. Nakawala yung Mia eh. Sayang.
Leslie sa lubong.
You destroyed a turret. Request backup.
I go wherever you need.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch
Beat
attack.
kaya, bungguin mo.
No.
Gago pa tayo.
Galing ng Binibir talaga.
Down. Triple kill. Killing spree.
Sakit tong Mia. Yan ang ayoko eh. Pasakit na siya eh. Gagi 10k.
Wala yan. Unahin.
10k pala pera ko.
We're ahead in gold.
Unahin lang natin yan. Hindi niya pa pinush yung mid.
Wala eh. Patay eh.
Killing spree.
Tanga naman ng MM. Sasakay ka ba o
A
hindi?
true
Hindi.
warrior never backs down from a fight.
Request
Lord, huwag kayong
backup.
magpapatay. Pwede kayo pumitas, pero yung sa isa-isa
Only by
lang.
facing the enemy can one
Yeah.
know his true self.
Yun o.
Request backup.
You can predict the enemy's moves. You won't defeat them.
Pag Mia, huwag mo bungguin. May ano yan eh. Purify.
Yun.
Our victory
Nagulti na
will be
Mia.
decisive.
Pwede pwede na yun. Pwede na bigyan.
Pero mabilis lang yung mag-pull down eh.
Lord ah.
My reputation is built on my
Sino?
bravery
Suyo
and
pa tayo na to.
loyalty.
Yan o, vision. Tamos. Lord,
Wala. Huwag na. Huwag na.
tip mo bot.
Honor and
Turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed. Ally has been
Uy, namatay pa yun.
only by facing the enemy can
Our
one know
inhibitor
his true
turret is
self.
under attack.
Kaya mo?
Launch attack.
Oh, wala to basic. To walang damage to.
Under attack.
Nakuha niyo, Lord?
Oo.
Ult is not ready.
Sakay.
Jay, wait lang. Daan
Okay
kita.
na pala. Nandiyan na yung queen. Hindi rin mag-aabot. Diyan na kayo mabangga.
A true warrior never backs down from a fight.
Unstoppable.
Puti
A
boy.
good army should be flexible. Like
Brilliant control. Double kill. Superb tanking.
duty, honor, and homeland.
Your team
Tara.
destroyed the turret. Request backup.
Ako lang tayo mga...
Your team destroyed a turret. You destroyed a turret.
Uri. Angat na.
Okay lang.
Ayun.
A good army should
Hindi ko kasi
No.
makita yung ano,
be like one.
yung bato sa mapa. Uy, yun na. Nawala.
Rampage.
Site ng Mia. Nag-ulti na Mia.
If you can
Sige,
predict
sige.
the enemy's moves, you won't.
Ilang back tayo back.
Freeze kayo natin.
Oo nga, no, para
Only
maglabas.
by facing the
Oh.
enemy can one know his true self. I go wherever the wind takes me. Our victory will be decisive.
Ult is not ready. Launch attack.
Ingat ka.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Dito.
Ganyan na ako.
Hindi umabot. Ay, sorry. Magkakalord pala.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Lord, initiate retreat.
Na mag-aulan, baka mag-ano. Mahina yung signal.
Yun nga, eh, baka mag-round pa ka mo.
Tingin ka pag mag-alord ah.
Oo.
Initiate retreat.
Kakabuhay lang din ng core nila.
Initiate retreat.
Uy. Wala to eh.
Yeah, sakay ka. Sakay kaya, ikaw magsakay, sabihin mo.
My
Aroy siya man, nagsakay.
Hindi, okay lang. Sige.
Tagalord
and
na.
loyalty.
Wala pa.
Tagalord na.
Naglalord, naglalord.
Aroy, wait out. Oh, yun.
Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Warrior never backs down from a fight. Stay loyal. Stay humble. Victory will be decisive.
Wait for me. An enemy has been slain.
My reputation is built on my bravery and loyalty.
Mia.
Our turret is under attack.
by facing
Ayun na yung Mia. Kita mo yung Mia?
one know his true self.
Oy, oy, oy.
I go wherever the wind takes me.
Daya ko. Gagi.
Oy, talo tayo. Turoy. Back na.
Kahit ng Mia.
If you can predict the enemy's moves, you won't be defeated. A true warrior never backs down from a fight. A good army should be flexible, like water.
Yun na yung Mia. Patayin na, oh. Yung Leslie nakatayo lang.
Duty, honor, and homeland. Only by facing the enemy.
Kailangan natin mapatay yung ano. Uy, patay MM.
Initiate retreat.
Yun na, patay na.
Retreat.
Yun na.
Lord, Lord!
Di Lord kayo. Sabulan niyo yung Lord.
Gather up the Lord. Request backup. Okay.
Wala ako red 3.
Battle spell and cooldown.
Di wala yan.
Ayun o, pwede na ma-end oh.
End ba? End ano?
Hindi ko mapapatay yung Tamos. Para sa... Pabuhay ka nga.
Victory will be decisive.
Launch attack.
Tamaan natin para sa... Yung Parsa. Kasi dyan na yung Mia.
Wala, nabangga ako.
I go wherever the wind. Duty, honor, and homeland.
Shut down.
Nice one.
Killing spree.
Full decision.
Control. Firm AoE.
Oh, ang ino!
Hindi kita maintindihan masyado. Ang lakas ng ulan dito.
Okay lang, panalo na tayo.
Tuloy-tuloy na sana. Ang inang yan.
They call me hero.
Ay,
Saved
lakas
my
ko ba
nation
din?
from falling apart.
Angas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They call me hero because I saved my nation from falling apart.
Eh, MVP lang. Unfriendly chat warning pa nga. Palo.